Alright, I've reset the scene and I'm going to go to the file that was provided on the CD, and it's called mxwall max, mxwall.max. You select that and open it. It should give you a floor that looks something like that. Alright, once you've got that selected, go into your top view and come over here to geometry, come down to AEC extended, click on wall, and then make sure that you have your grid, snap to grids points toggled. Obviously the 3D snap, and you might as well constrain it along your XY axis. Alright, I've just created a wall, and I'm going to check out the parameters over here to make sure that it's a 5-inch wall. The height's 8 feet. That's all good. Here, of course, you can choose whether you want it left, centered, or right. In this case, we'll probably want it left so that it's on the inside of the floor. And make sure your generate mapping coordinates are available. All right. And you should end up with something that looks like that. Next thing you'll want to do is go here and look at doors. Click pivot. Click on auto grid. Then make sure you're still on your snap to grid point, so it will cut a hole when you've aligned it to the grid. And these settings should look like this. All right. Okay, I've gone ahead and clicked twice to sort of create a door here. What I can do now is select it and set my coordinates. Select my move tool, my move tool to make sure that I'm setting it to the correct coordinates here. Alright, I'm going to set that at -2 feet, rather. -2 feet. Enter. And then this is going to be at -7 feet 0 inches, so it's dead on. And this is going to be at 0, 0. Okay, so that's going to be your XYZ coordinate placement. Okay, and once you have that, let's make sure that the door is the right size. So I'm going to go ahead and select that door. I'm going to go to modify. Here are all of my settings here. I'm going to make sure the door height should be 6 feet 8. And I think, let's see, 6 feet 8. All right. Door width is going to be 2 feet. Or actually, let's make that 3 feet. That's a pretty thin door. 3 feet. And then the depth is going to be I think it's 2 inches. Actually, it should be like 5 inches because, you know, 5-inch walls are standard. 5 inches. Give me 5 feet. I need 5 inches. That's more like it. Now what I can do is swing it at a 90-degree angle. And there you have it. Now I could flip the swing in or out by selecting this, as you can see. Let's swing it in. And there you have it. That's how you create a door.